How to show Wi-Fi data usage on your OPPO Reno 7 5G mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here in Wi-Fi, go to 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And go to advanced settings. And now here you can see the Wi-Fi data usage. And you'll have to do is tap the Wi-Fi data usage. And now you can see the data usage of your Wi-Fi. So I have 357 GB or gig or gigabyte this month. And below of this, you can see the application consume of this 357 gigabyte. So the Chrome is 200 gig. The first and the second is the GoPro Quick, 82.31 gig. The Facebook is 61.89 gig. And below, you can see other apps consume of this 357 gigabyte. So that's it. Okay, we have successfully show Wi-Fi data usage on OPPO Reno 7 5G.